Did you know there's a right way and a wrong way to put on your handlebars? Well, it all depends on your stem and who makes it and what the manufacturer's recommendations are. So let's jump right in and I'll show you a couple different ones. Here we have a mountain bike stem. This is pretty generic. You'll see this on a wide variety of different bikes. And as for attaching the faceplate and the handlebars, it's pretty much all the same on this style stem. So what you're going to do is use the diagonal or crisscross, or sometimes called the star pattern. As you can see here in this diagram, this is sort of what it looks like. And they recommend doing that so that this way, when you are sitting here and attaching these, you want to loosely put these bolts on just to sort of hold everything together. And then as you go and tighten everything down with a torque wrench, definitely want to be making sure that you're using that star pattern, and that this way, as you're doing that, you should get an equal amount of space in between the top bolts and the bottom bolts. And by doing this, you'll have adequate pressure all around. This way, when you're riding next time, your bars don't slip or rotate and cause you to crash. But there is another stem I want to show you as well. Now this one is a Bontrager road stem. It's going to be a little different. So you're not going to use your star pattern. With this one, you want this faceplate nice and flush with the stem. So these top two bolts, you're going to pinch those down nice and tight, and then you go and tighten the bolts on the bottom. Now the bolts on the bottom will have a little bit of space, and that's perfectly fine. That's the way Trek designed it. So just depending on which stem you have, make sure you're looking at the manufacturer's recommendations so that this way you can properly install those new handlebars.